Welcome to the Ultimate Demonstration Disc. At Chesky Records, our goal is to create recordings that are so completely natural, so true to the music, that nothing will come between the listener and the music. You really can hear the difference. This disc will serve as a guide to help you improve your listening skills. Not only will you enjoy music at home more, but while attending live concerts, your heightened attention to sound will result in an even greater appreciation of music. The primary purpose of the Ultimate Demonstration Disc is to aid in the selection of audio components. To accomplish this sometimes formidable task, we've assembled a series of musical demonstrations to help evaluate different aspects of sound reproduction. A brief explanation of each audiophile term by music to help illustrate that term. By using the Ultimate Demonstration Disc during your listening comparisons, even the most subtle differences between components will be revealed. Enough talk. Let's get started.